Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to another sort of fun video. I hope it's fun anyway. We are on the way to Troll King's Castle. We're going to wash some cars, and we have a product review coming of some new wax with ceramic in it. And we're going to do my car and try to get some of the swirl marks out. So we will resume when we get there. Hopefully it works. It is the one that I deserve. All right, we made it to, I'm sorry, Reese's house.
Aggressive.
We're gonna wash his car, and then we're gonna review, what's it called? Where's the bottom? Is it that right there?
Yeah. We ain't reviewing it, I already done did it.
Well, I'm reviewing it. Well, we're putting it on video, because you've done it already.
Thanks.
So this is the Stay Fresh Premium Car Care. Is it the line, or is that what the whole company's called?
Stay fresh. Yeah, that's the
whole company. It's titanium ceramic infused wax.
I used it this last weekend on a customer's car, tested it out, and it was pretty dope. I mean, the paint was like glass afterwards.
Ultra hydrophobic. So we're gonna do your car first.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna do mine, especially the hood, because you're gonna be able to tell the swirls are gone easier on mine than his. In person, his would be about the same as mine.
Well, I got some painter's tape, so we can do a side-by-side comparison too.
That's a good idea. All right, we're gonna wash his car, then we're gonna wash my car, and then we're gonna get to doing this, and we'll get to the before and after.
Woo woo!
Ah!
Thing's like real deal.
Nah, dude, we're testing out the mic. So hopefully this mic works. We're gonna do a little walk around, a little walk around. We're in Georgia, so the pollen is awesome. Dirty wheels.
Brake dust.
Yep. Your fronts are way worse than your back, though.
The brakes are.
Follow me on Insta, Kieran and Chips.
All right, we're gonna walk around mine. Mine is disgusting. What? That's the soap one. Mine is filthy. Black cars and pollen don't go well together. Got my license plate off so we can wash under that. And it's gonna be real difficult to see the swirls since there's no sun out, but they are there. I promise you they are there. Alright, so now that we're done with that, I don't think the camera's going to pick it up. There we go. All those little sparkles are not supposed to be there.
My heart.
So we are attempting to get rid of those.
Not attempting, we are.
We're attempting to get rid of those.
Don't listen to him. Doesn't know anything. Bam!
Oh, he's got neoprene gloves too.
Yeah, I'm a professional.
You got your Vaseline?
You'll find out. Actually, I'm just gonna use spit.
That hurt. Oh God. Nothing like mucus for your bungholio.
Oh yeah.
How's that working for you?
Firmly grasped.
Firmly grasped.
Would you like me to rip the tape?
Wham bam. Thank you, man.
All right, well, now we're done. Thanks for watching this one. It's a POV.
Oh, yeah. Those are my favorite. Ooh.
You gotta clean the crust off the tape.
Oh, it's crusty. So, first, we wash the car with some citrus wash from Chemical Gas.
I thought you didn't like Chemical Guys anymore.
What?
Didn't you try to get a discount code from them and they basically told you to go f*** yourself?
I still like Chemical Gas. Usually, I go through and I hit it with my clay. This is synthetic rubber mixed with clay. But I did that 2 weeks ago, so my paint's fine. So now, some HD speed. Couple spots on there.
Those aren't symmetrical.
You can eat it. Take some Chemical Guys conditioner.
Took you long enough.
Squirt, squirt, and it's conditioned. Professional. Paint ruined for eternity.
If it slings that all over me, I'm punching you directly in the scrot.
A little hazy. Then you take your microfiber.
Oh, what do you know? It works.
Shazam!
So that is how you get one part of your car way cleaner than the rest of it.
Cleaner? This man doesn't know how to detail. Don't listen to anything.
It's not my stuff. I don't
Does
buy
he
it.
have gloves on?
Skin gloves. I use the tools that God gave me. I thought we had something going. I thought we were having a moment. Leave me alone. Alright, it's the same process for the other side. I'm not going to record the other side. Next clip you'll see is probably us washing my car and then fixing my hood, which I'll actually go show the swirls on because they'll be really apparent right now. You can really see the swirls and the pollen, but mainly the swirls. So the swirls are what we're going to be working to eliminate. I got them all over the car. I don't know when it happened. I don't know if when they detailed it at the dealership it got messed up.
He doesn't know how to wash his car properly.
I'm thinking the detail thing at the dealership is what. Anywho, we'll skip to the next part where he's doing the ceramic coating and the wax on his car.
You don't know what you mean to me. I'm so proud to have you for my head. I'm proud to have you for my head. I'm so proud to have you for my head. I'm proud to have you for my head. I'm so proud to have you for my head.
All those swirly swirls. That's what we gonna try to get rid of.
Ooh, that's pretty good for an eyeball. I'm gonna leave that. It's a
Make
race-
some racing stripes.
it's a racing stripe. Y'all like my racing stripes? That's a lot of that there, buffing liquid.
That's the best you can come up with?
Yeah, that's all I got. Dos. Trace.
Catorce! Hello, hello. Hola! I'm in a place called You too? No. Swear on you, broke you down.
Hey! Make my skin so smooth.
Those of you who are new to detailing, essentially the process of using the orbital is to polish. I mean, you can buff in things at a lower speed, but with what we're using, the HD speed, it's to polish, and it's slightly abrasive in order to remove swirl marks and light scratches. There are heavier things to use in that for more prevalent and deeper scratches. If you've never seen it before, people do wet sanding as well in order to clean up paint.
What's better?
Huh?
What's better?
A lot of people will use polishing in conjunction. You'll wet sand first and then you'll polish. It seems counterproductive using something abrasive on something that already has scratches, but basically with a polisher, you're rebuilding the clear coat that already comes on the car. Night and day.
Really?
Night and day. They look good though now.
It does look good now.
And that is what buffing does for your life. I think we're gonna end this one here.
And if you have any detailing questions or anything like that, I'm not a professional, but feel free to drop something in the comments. And feel free to drop anything in the comments if you want any recommendations for products or anything like that. Yeah. Or if you can hit me up on Instagram as well. If you have my Instagram at Kieran and Chips, just send me a message on there and set you up.
I'm definitely gonna be paying him to do the entire car. Yep, because it's pretty gross. So like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed it. Leave me in the leave me in the comments. Pick me up and put me in the comments. I'm pretty good about responding to him. He's pretty good about responding to him if he sees
I
him.
may troll you.
You probably will get trolled.
But it's out of love.
So that's it for this one. The next video that should be coming out is coming out either Saturday night or Sunday morning. It will be Cars and Coffee at the drag strip. What's that drag strip called?
House of Hook in Jackson,
South Carolina. So there you go. House of Hook, Jackson, South Carolina. I'm gonna try to get a ride along with him.
I'm gonna be gapping some bitches.
Yeah, he's gonna race a 3.8 Genesis. So I'm gonna try to get a ride along with him if I can. I don't see why it would be a problem.
You might just have to have me on too.
Yeah, I mean, worst case scenario, I gotta rent a helmet, but whatever. All right, so hope you enjoyed this one. I will see you in the next one. Bye.